Good morning, class. My name is Adaramola Olaide. Our topic for today is Yoruba alphabet. Before we start identifying the alphabets in Yoruba language, I would like to briefly talk on where the language is being spoken. Yoruba language is a language spoken in Nigeria, and it is one of the three major languages in Nigeria. The speakers of Yoruba language resides in southwest region, in states such as Lagos, Ogun, Osun, Ekiti, and the likes. Yoruba language is a tonal language. What I mean by tonal language is that the language it makes use of tone. It makes use of tone, and the language has three different tone marks. It has three different tone marks. We have the low mark, the mid one, and the high tone. The low tone is referred to as do, do, do. This is the mark, do. You can see the mark moves from up, down, up, down. That's why it's referred to as do, do. The mid tone is referred to as re, re. And the mark is, we can see, is the middle mark. It's just like the middle mark. And the third one is high tone, which is referred to as mi, mi. What we mean by high tone is that it's whenever you pronounce a word that has the mark, the high tone mark on it, the words will sound high. You can see it moves from down to up, down to up. That's why it's referred to as mi, mi. So we have do, re, mi, do, re, mi. So these are the three tone marks we have in Yoruba language. And we now move to the alphabet in Yoruba language. Yoruba language has 25 letters. It has 25 letters. This is the alphabet in Yoruba language. It comprises of 18 consonants and 7 vowels. It comprises of 18 consonants and 7 vowels, making 25 letters. The first letter is pronounced as A. You can see it's letter A, but in Yoruba language it's pronounced as A. The second one is letter B, which is pronounced as B. The third one is letter D, and it's pronounced as D. We can see that Yoruba language has two different E. The first one has no mark under it, while the second E has dots under it. The second E has dots under it. These two letters, they are pronounced differently. The first letter, E, that has no dot under it, is pronounced as A, while the one that has dot under it is pronounced as E. You can see my mouth, E. This letter F in Yoruba language is pronounced as Fi. And letter G in Yoruba language is pronounced as Gi. The next letter is B. We can see that this letter looks different. The reason why I said it looks different is that it comprises of two letters. As it comprises of two letters, it is still referred to as a letter in Yoruba language. This GB is written together. It must be pronounced as one letter, which is what? B. B is B sound. You can see the movement of my lips. B. The next letter is letter H, which is pronounced as in. The next letter is letter I, and is pronounced in Yoruba language as E. The next one is J, which is pronounced in Yoruba as G. We have letter K in Yoruba is pronounced as Ki. And we also have letter L in Yoruba. It is pronounced as Li. Letter M in Yoruba is pronounced as Mi. Letter N is pronounced as ni, ni, ni. We also have two different O in Yoruba language. One O has no dot, while the other has dot. The first one that has no dot is pronounced as O, 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 while the other one that has dot is pronounced as O, O, O. This letter P in Yoruba language is pronounced as Pi, Pi. Letter R in Yoruba is pronounced as Ri, Ri, Ri. We also have two S in Yoruba language. The first S is pronounced as Si, 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 while the second S has dot under it and is pronounced as Sh, Shi, Shi, Sh. That's she sound. Sh, Sh. So it's pronounced as Shi, Shi. The next is T, which is also pronounced as T. The U is pronounced as U, U, U. You can see the shape of my lips when I pronounce the letter U. In Yoruba, it's not pronounced as U, it's pronounced as U, U, U. While the letter W in Yoruba is pronounced as We, We, We. And the letter Y in Yoruba is pronounced as Yi, Yi, Yi. Let me read all over again. Ha, Bi, Di, E, He, Fi, Gi, Gbi, In, I, Ji, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, O, Ho, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, Hu, Wi, Yi. Let me read again. Ha, Bi, Di, E, Fi, Gi, Gbi, In, I, Ji, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, Ho, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, Hu, Wi, Yi. As I said earlier, I said the alphabet in Yoruba language comprises of consonants and vowels. 18 consonants and 7 vowels. 18 consonants and 7 vowels, making 25. Making 25. This is the alphabetical chart in Yoruba language, making 25. So the vowels has been written together with the consonants, but I will have to pronounce the vowel again for us. As I said we have 7 different vowels in Yoruba language. These are the vowels in Yoruba language. Ha, E, I, Ho, U. Again. Ha, E, I, O, Ho, U. There are still 5 other vowels, but when it's time, I'll let us know the 5 vowels. For the proper pronunciation of the letters, this will help us in the proper pronunciation of the letters. You can see letter A, it sounds A, A. You can see A means A, B, B-I, B, D-I, D, A, F, G, B, N, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, H, B, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. This will help us in the proper pronunciation of the letters. Helps in the proper pronunciation of the letters. We are through for the day. Any question? Okay, since there is no question, I will advise us to read the letters we learned today so as to have the proper and better understanding of the alphabet in Yoruba language. In the next class, I will talk more, I will expatiate more on the tones we have in Yoruba language so as to know the rules and how it is being used and the letters you're supposed to put the tone on. We'll learn everything in the next class. Then secondly, I will give us examples of the alphabet, examples of words that begins with each letters in Yoruba alphabet. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.